Let's understand which type of local variable retains its value between function calls. The question asks, the value in blank local variable is retained between function calls. The options are A, a global B, an internal C, a static D, a dynamic or E.no variable. Let's understand this with an example. Here's a simple function that uses a static variable to count how many times it's been called. Let's visualize what happens when we call this function multiple times. Each time the function is called, it will increment the static count variable and return its value. When we first call the function, the static variable count is initialized to 0. This initialization happens only once, then it's increment to 1. On the second call, the variable is not reinitialized. Instead, it retains its previous value of 1 and is then increment to 2. And on the third call, it again keeps its value of 2 from the previous call and is increment to 3. In contrast, a regular local variable would be reinitialized every time the function is called, losing its previous value. Therefore, the correct answer is C. A static local variable is the one that retains its value between function calls. Remember these key points about static local variables. They are initialized only once, they retain their value between function calls, and they maintain their state throughout the program's execution.